Hello everyone, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and toddytalkscrafts.com. I often get questions from people saying, how do you care for woven works, tapestries or wall hangings, once you've woven them yourself or purchased one from an artist like me? And the answer is, do not wash them. The answer is your friendly little vacuum cleaner. Vacuuming the front side of your tapestry or wall hanging and the back side once a year. And you don't get your wall hangings or tapestries wet, just dry vacuum them. And if you live in a particularly dusty area, then I would say give them a vacuum twice a year then. But usually once a year should do it, unless you notice that all of a sudden your beloved tapestry or wall hanging has turned into a dust bunny. So then get out the vacuum cleaner and give it a little gentle but thorough vacuuming. And so that, my friends, is the tip of the day. The reason why I've got tapestries lying here on the table is because I'm preparing for a two-person show with my daughter, Chloe Findlay-Harder, who is also a fiber and mixed media artist as well. So lots of prep work going on here, and of course whenever I send work to a show, always the first step is I take it off my wall before it goes to the gallery, and I vacuum it really well because it's amazing what a difference it makes to the colors. Talk to you soon, and happy weaving and happy enjoying of the fiber arts.